county situation.
Well, it's, you think of a traditional warship from the World War II, right? It's a big difference now with like there's these hand-rode auto tractor. The technology is incredible, right? The ship itself is just a steel shell. Yeah. What did you do for